All right, everybody. Tonight's homework is 1-3, which is comparing and ordering whole numbers. Now, this is very similar to what we did in class today. It's the same thing we did in class today. At first, we have to compare using the greater than, less than symbols, or the alligators. And you're going to do it the same way we did in class, where you start on the left. Again, we're comparing both these two numbers, 2,854,376 and 2,845,763. So the way I want you to do it is I want you to look at the left number, underline the digit that's to the farthest left, so 2 million and 2 million, they're the same. So we're going to go to the next column, the hundred thousands place. 800,000, 800,000, they are the same. So we're going to go to the 10,000s place. 50,000, 40,000. Okay, we found something that's different. And so now we just look to see which one is greater. Well, of course, the 5 is. So the alligator wants to eat the number 2,854,376. Okay? Do numbers 2, 3, and 4 the same exact way. And then for number 5, you're going to order the numbers from least, that means smallest, to greatest, that means largest. And the way you're going to do this, same way, you're going to go from left to right to see which number is the smallest. Now, as we look at these three numbers, when we look at the millions period in each of these numbers, there's an instant difference. And if you forgot what the millions period is, the first three numbers are the ones period, the next three numbers are the thousands period, and then the next group of three is what we call the millions period. Well, in the first number we have 45 million. The next number we only have 4 million, and the last number we have 43 million. So it's very obvious which one is the smallest. 4 is smaller. So the smallest number is going to be the one that has the 4 million. So since we're going least to greatest, you'll write in 4,936,211 and then cross it out. Okay? Now, I think you can figure out what the next greatest number is by just looking at it. Okay? Number 6, write three numbers that are greater than 1,543,000 and 1,544,000. Oh, and sorry, less than. So they have to be between these two numbers. I'm going to let you think about this one. Have your mom help you, or your dad, or somebody. But they cannot be smaller than this number, and they cannot be greater than this one. Go ahead and write three numbers down. Okay, and number 7 and number 8, put the planets in order from the one closest to the sun to the one farthest from the sun. So if we look here, the one closest to the sun, again, we're going to look at the numbers. Since these two in the we're starting with the millions period here. Okay, and obviously Jupiter and Mars are the two farthest away because they go all the way out to the 100 millions place. So the one that's closest to the sun, you are going to look in the 10 millions place to decide what that planet is. And the smallest number here is 3, or the 3 in the 10 millions place. So the closest planet to the sun is Mercury. So over here on the side, you are going to write Mercury. Okay, and that is the closest to the sun. So after you've used one, please go through and cross it out so you don't get confused. Okay, you can do the rest of those on your own the same way. For numbers 8 and 9, which number has the greatest value? Use the same strategy from left to right to see which number is the biggest. And then writing to explain, tell how you could use a number line to determine which of the two numbers is greater. So think that one through, write me a sentence, tell me what you think. Good luck, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.